hold on to your space helmets, because NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has just cracked open a cosmic mystery that's shaking up everything we know about the universe. We're talking about one of the most distant galaxies ever discovered. A galaxy so far away, it's like peering into the deep past of the universe. Get ready to have your mind blown, because what Webb has uncovered could totally change our understanding of galaxy formation and the origins of the cosmos. And guess what? This is just the beginning. So, here's the deal. The galaxy we're talking about, GLASS Z13, is about 13.4 billion light-years away. That's right, 13.4 billion. This means we're seeing it as it was just 300 million years after the Big Bang, basically when the universe was still in its teenage years. And guess what? The James Webb Space Telescope was the first to catch this distant galaxy in the act. How? By using its powerful infrared eyes to peer through space and time. Now, this might sound like science fiction, but Webb's infrared capabilities are the real deal. This telescope is designed to look deeper into the universe than ever before, and that's exactly what it's doing, uncovering galaxies that were previously invisible to even the most powerful telescopes. GLASS Z13 isn't just any galaxy, it's a time capsule that lets us look back at the universe's formative years. And when astronomers took a closer look at it, they were stunned. The galaxy is far more mature than they expected, considering it's only about 300 million years old. It has stars forming at a surprising rate and metals, yes, metals, which are key to building the structures we see today in the universe. But here's the kicker. This galaxy is showing us something weirdly advanced for its time. Galaxies forming this early in the universe weren't supposed to have the level of complexity GLASS Z13 has. It's like finding a super high-tech city in a small, primitive settlement. How did it get there so fast? Now, if you're wondering, how did Webb do it? Here's the magic. Webb's infrared instruments are what make this possible. The galaxy's light has traveled across the universe for over 13 billion years and has been stretched out due to the expanding universe. That's called redshift. Basically, the longer the light travels, the more stretched it gets. But Webb's infrared tech allows it to capture this light, even when it's stretched into the infrared part of the spectrum. This is a major leap forward compared to older telescopes, like Hubble, which just couldn't handle these distances. Webb's massive 6.5-meter mirror and cutting-edge instruments make it possible to gather all the faint light from these distant galaxies, giving us the most detailed look yet at the universe's earliest years. Let's break down the importance of redshift for a moment. For astronomers, redshift is the clue that helps them figure out how far away something is in space. The more redshifted an object is, the further away it is, and the further back in time we're seeing it. In the case of GLASS Z13, the redshift is 13.6, meaning it's located 13.4 billion light-years away from Earth. This gives us a time machine to see how galaxies were forming when the universe was just getting started. But here's the twist. The fact that GLASS Z13 is so bright and well-formed for its age raises some serious questions. Galaxies weren't supposed to evolve this quickly, and yet, here we are. This could change everything we thought we knew about how the universe and its galaxies came to be. So, why is all of this such a big deal? Well, the findings from GLASS 13 are challenging long-standing assumptions about how galaxies form and evolve. Based on what we're seeing, galaxies like this one may have formed much faster than we originally thought, and they may have developed complex structures much earlier in the universe's history. One of the biggest revelations? The metal content in glass Z13 is higher than expected. Metals, in astronomical terms, that's anything heavier than hydrogen and helium, are essential for forming planets, stars, and even life. Finding such high metal content this early on forces scientists to rethink how the very first galaxies could have formed. GLASS Z13 is just one piece of the puzzle. This discovery is a preview of what's to come. Webb is designed to uncover secrets of the early universe, and we're just scratching the surface. Imagine what else is out there, waiting to be discovered. Over the coming months and years, Webb will continue to explore even more distant galaxies, unlocking the mysteries of the cosmic dawn and the formation of the universe. As Webb continues to scan the skies, we'll learn even more about the early days of galaxy formation, star creation, and maybe even the first hints of life. The more we discover, the clearer it will become how the universe grew into the complex structure we see today. So, what does all of this mean for us? It's opening up a new era in our quest to understand the origins of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is the key to answering some of the biggest questions we've had for centuries. How did galaxies form? How fast did they evolve? And most importantly, are we alone in this vast cosmos? And as Webb keeps unveiling the secrets of distant galaxies, like glass Z13, we're getting closer to finding the answers to these questions. The journey into the past of the universe is just beginning. Now it's your turn. What do you think about this incredible discovery? Do you think Webb will uncover even more distant galaxies that push the limits of our understanding? Could there be clues to life out there among the stars? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the Space Episodes for more space exploration updates. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next as Webb continues to rewrite the history of the universe. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing discoveries.